Well, they said 8 to 12 inches. Still snowing. It's been snowing for the last couple hours. But you can still see some blades of grass in my yard. But you know I didn't mow it that last mow, so it's sort of high. Yeah, it's 6:30. It's cold out here. You can't see any blades of grass anymore in my yard. Snowing pretty good. I still can't get over looking over there and not seeing those houses. I just love it. Well, guys, it's about 8 o'clock. Still snowing hard. Hold on, let me be quiet. You can hear it. I don't know if that's picking up on here or not. A big truck just went up the road. Here's somebody else. They're going slow. I bet it's a truck. Yep, a big truck. I haven't really heard a lot of traffic going up and down. So, just giving you a little update on the snowstorm. I think we might get that foot. Well, guys, it's I think it's about 10:30. I'm fixing to go to bed. I'm sleepy. It's not you can't hardly see it. You can see it a little bit, but listen. You can hear it. I think that's the ice, because I was looking at radar and it said after all this goes away, it's supposed to go away about like 2 o'clock in the morning, and then it's supposed to just straight up be ice. And then, because they were saying it's pretty deep though. Look at my gate. Well, I'm not going to post this video tonight. I'll wait till in the morning and come out here and get a shot, and we'll see if we got our foot of snow or not. Oh, well, that's our snowstorm. It quit snowing. We got a lot. Look at the fence. You can tell. So, look, you can't even see my sidewalk. It's crazy. So I'd say we got a foot, don't you all? Or said 8 to a foot. We easily got the 8. All right, well, that's our snowstorm here in Huntington, West by God, Virginia.